Tesla has been so fortunate to be able to have these partnerships, and this has been something that it started as a pilot program in 2017 with 13 students from Southern Nevada, and now we've had over 54 students.
We help you design those standards of training, submit the program for registration, develop the competency checklists, and follow up with your trainees and to make sure they're where they're supposed to be, and then take care of the reporting. So how easy is that? Yeah, we do all the work for you.
Very hard, and we continue to work hard with our employers. Anyone comes in the door, we can hit specific areas, we can improve in specific content within that course without hurting the overall objectives of the course. And the student learning outcomes are still there like we plan on the original courses.
So just in my experience, like production-wise, it helps, but then also with all these flux of people coming in through this apprenticeship program, it's better at connections with people inside of work and then outside of work.
And we look forward to partnering with all of those interested businesses throughout the state to create a unique and successful apprenticeship program of your very own.